The Egyptian desert holds countless secrets. Beneath its vast, arid expanse lies a treasure trove of history, waiting to be uncovered. For centuries, the sands have concealed the remnants of a once great civilization, preserving its mysteries and marvels. The desert, with its relentless winds and shifting dunes, has both protected and hidden these ancient wonders from the world. As we journey through this timeless landscape, we are reminded of the stories etched into the very fabric of the earth, stories of kings and gods, of monumental achievements and profound mysteries. Tombs, temples, and lost cities lie buried beneath the sands. Each site tells a tale of a bygone era, of a civilization that thrived along the banks of the Nile. These ancient structures, now in ruins, once stood as grand testaments to the ingenuity and artistry of the Egyptian people. The tombs, intricately decorated with hieroglyphs and paintings, offer glimpses into the lives and beliefs of those who built them. The temples, with their towering columns and sacred sanctuaries, speak of a deep reverence for the gods. And the lost cities, now mere shadows of their former glory, whisper of bustling markets, grand palaces, and vibrant communities that once flourished in the heart of the desert. But few monuments are as impressive as the Step Pyramid of Djoser. This architectural marvel stands as a testament to the vision and ambition of its creators. Designed by the legendary architect Imhotep, the Step Pyramid was a groundbreaking achievement in its time. It marked a significant departure from the traditional mastaba tombs, introducing a new era of pyramid construction. The pyramid's unique stepped design, with its 6 distinct layers, was a bold and innovative approach that set the stage for the grand pyramids that would follow. This ancient marvel rises from the desert near Saqqara. Its imposing silhouette dominates the landscape, a beacon of ancient ingenuity and power. The pyramid's location in Saqqara, a vast necropolis that served as the burial ground for the ancient city of Memphis, adds to its historical significance. As the first pyramid ever built, the Step Pyramid set a precedent for the monumental structures that would come to define ancient Egypt. Its construction marked a pivotal moment in the evolution of Egyptian architecture, showcasing the advanced engineering skills and artistic vision of its creators. Constructed around 2650 BC, it's a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians. The pyramid's construction required meticulous planning and coordination, involving thousands of workers and a vast array of resources. The massive limestone blocks, some weighing several tons, were quarried, transported, and meticulously placed to create the pyramid's iconic stepped structure. This monumental effort reflects the organizational prowess and technical expertise of the ancient Egyptians, who were able to achieve such a feat with the limited tools and technology available to them at the time. Imagine standing before its massive steps, feeling the weight of history all around you. The sheer scale of the pyramid is awe-inspiring, a reminder of the incredible achievements of the ancient world. As you gaze up at the towering structure, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the voices of the workers who toiled tirelessly to bring this vision to life. The pyramid's weathered stones, worn by millennia of wind and sand, tell a story of endurance and resilience, a story that continues to captivate and inspire us to this day. The Step Pyramid wasn't just a tomb for a king, it was a symbol of power, a declaration of Pharaoh Djoser's divine right to rule. The pyramid's grand design and imposing presence were intended to convey the pharaoh's strength and authority, both in life and in the afterlife. The interior chambers, intricately decorated with carvings and inscriptions, were designed to ensure the pharaoh's safe passage to the afterlife, reflecting the deep spiritual beliefs of the ancient Egyptians. The pyramid served as a monumental testament to Djoser's reign, a lasting legacy that would endure for millennia. It was a symbol of power, a declaration of Pharaoh Djoser's divine right to rule. The pyramid's construction was a grand statement of the pharaoh's authority, a physical manifestation of his divine connection to the gods. The intricate carvings and symbols adorning the pyramid and its surrounding structures were designed to reinforce this divine right, depicting the pharaoh as a godlike figure, worthy of reverence and worship. This powerful imagery served to legitimize Djoser's rule, ensuring his place in the annals of history as a great and mighty leader. To understand its significance, we need to go back in time. We need to delve into the rich tapestry of ancient Egyptian history, exploring the cultural, religious, and political context in which the Step Pyramid was built. By examining the artifacts and records left behind, we can piece together the story of this remarkable civilization, gaining insights into the lives and beliefs of the people who created such monumental wonders. The Step Pyramid stands as a gateway to this ancient world, offering us a glimpse into a time of great innovation and achievement. We need to explore the world of ancient Egypt, a time of pharaohs and pyramids. This was a world where the divine and the mortal were intertwined, where the pharaohs ruled with absolute authority, and the gods were believed to walk among men. The grandeur of the pyramids, the intricacy of the tombs, and the majesty of the temples all speak to a civilization that placed immense value on the afterlife, on the eternal journey of the soul. By exploring this world, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible achievements of the ancient Egyptians and the enduring legacy they have left behind. Before Djoser, Egyptian rulers were buried in simple rectangular structures called mastabas. These mastabas were the earliest form of tombs in ancient Egypt, serving as the final resting place for the elite. They were constructed with a flat roof and outwardly sloping sides resembling a bench, which is what mastaba means in Arabic. These structures were made from mud bricks, a material readily available along the Nile River. The mastabas were often adorned with intricate carvings and paintings, depicting scenes from the deceased's life and their journey to the afterlife. These were flat-roofed buildings made of mud brick. The use of mud brick was not only practical but also symbolic, representing the connection between the earth and the divine. The interiors of these mastabas were divided into several rooms, including a chapel for offerings and a burial chamber deep within the structure. The walls were often decorated with hieroglyphs and reliefs, illustrating the deceased's achievements and their desired provisions in the afterlife. Then came Imhotep, Djoser's brilliant architect. Imhotep was not only an architect but also a high priest, physician, and a polymath who left an indelible mark on Egyptian history. He was a visionary who saw beyond the conventional designs of his time. Imhotep's innovative thinking and deep understanding of both engineering and spirituality allowed him to conceive a structure that would stand the test of time and symbolize the pharaoh's divine status. He envisioned something grander, something that would reach for the heavens. Imhotep's design was revolutionary. He proposed stacking multiple mastabas on top of each other, each layer smaller than the one below, creating a stepped effect. This design was not only architecturally ambitious, but also spiritually significant, as it represented a staircase leading to the heavens, a path for the pharaoh to ascend to the afterlife. Imhotep's masterpiece, the Step Pyramid, changed Egyptian architecture forever. The Step Pyramid of Djoser, located in Saqqara, was the first of its kind and marked a significant departure from the traditional mastaba. Standing at approximately 62 meters tall, it was the tallest structure of its time and a testament to Imhotep's genius. The pyramid was constructed using limestone blocks, a more durable material than the mud bricks used in earlier structures. Instead of a single-story mastaba, Imhotep stacked 6 mastabas on top of each other. This innovative design required precise engineering and careful planning. The construction process involved thousands of workers, including skilled laborers, architects, and artisans, all working together to bring Imhotep's vision to life. The pyramid's construction was a monumental task that demonstrated the organizational capabilities and technological advancements of ancient Egypt. Each level was smaller than the one below, creating the iconic step design we see today. This design not only provided structural stability, but also symbolized the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife. The pyramid steps were believed to be a literal staircase that the pharaoh could climb to join the gods in the heavens. The step pyramid became a prototype for future pyramid designs, influencing the construction of the Great Pyramids at Giza. This wasn't just innovation for its own sake. Imhotep's design was deeply rooted in the religious and cultural beliefs of ancient Egypt. The pyramid was not only a tomb but also a symbol of the pharaoh's divine power and eternal life. It represented the connection between the earthly realm and the divine, a place where the pharaoh could be worshipped for eternity. It was a symbol of Djoser's ascent to the afterlife, a staircase to the stars. The step pyramid stood as a beacon of the pharaoh's journey to join the gods, a testament to the ingenuity and spiritual depth of ancient Egyptian civilization. Imhotep's creation not only transformed the landscape of Egypt, but also left a lasting legacy that continues to inspire awe and admiration to this day. The step pyramid is more than just a pile of stones. Beneath its surface lies a labyrinth of tunnels, chambers, and shafts. These underground passages are just as impressive as the pyramid itself. Some were sealed for eternity, holding the treasures of the pharaoh. One particularly interesting feature is the network of trenches discovered around the pyramid. These trenches are deep and precisely cut, suggesting a purpose beyond simple drainage. Could they hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the pyramid's construction? Some researchers believe these trenches were part of a sophisticated hydraulic system. Imagine, could the ancient Egyptians have harnessed the power of water to build the step pyramid? It sounds impossible, yet the evidence is compelling. The theory suggests that the Egyptians diverted water from the nearby Nile River into the trenches. This created a system of canals and pools surrounding the pyramid construction site. But how did they use this water to lift and move the massive stone blocks? This is where the theory gets really interesting. Some believe the Egyptians used a system of water-filled chambers and wooden gates to create hydraulic lifts. By controlling the flow of water in and out of these chambers, they could raise and lower heavy stones with surprising precision. Imagine the scene. Hundreds of workers chanting in unison as they open and close gates, directing the flow of water. The ground vibrates with the weight of a massive stone block being lifted into place. Could this be how the step pyramid was built? While the water power theory is intriguing, it's not without its critics. Many scholars and archaeologists have spent years studying the construction methods of ancient civilizations, and the idea of using water to move massive stones has sparked considerable debate. Some experts find the theory plausible, citing the ingenuity of ancient engineers who often utilized natural resources in innovative ways. However, others remain unconvinced, pointing to the lack of direct evidence supporting this hypothesis. Some archaeologists argue that there's no physical evidence of the complex wooden structures needed for this system. They emphasize that the archaeological record should show remnants of such an extensive wooden framework if it had indeed been used. The absence of these remains raises questions about the feasibility of the water power theory. Critics also note that wood, being an organic material, would have likely decomposed over millennia, making it difficult to find conclusive evidence today. They propose alternative theories, suggesting ramps and levers were used to move the stones. These methods, they argue, are more consistent with the physical evidence found at various ancient construction sites. Ramps and levers were well-documented tools in the ancient world, used in numerous building projects. The simplicity and effectiveness of these tools make them a compelling alternative to the more complex water power theory. These methods were common in ancient construction projects. Historical records and archaeological findings support the use of ramps and levers in the construction of other monumental structures such as the Pyramids of Giza. Reenactments and experimental archaeology have demonstrated that these techniques could indeed move large stones with relative efficiency. The use of manpower, combined with simple machines, showcases the ingenuity and resourcefulness of ancient builders. But could they really have been enough to build something as massive as the Step Pyramid? The debate rages on. The Step Pyramid of Djoser, with its immense size and complexity, continues to challenge our understanding of ancient engineering. Some researchers believe that a combination of methods, including both ramps and potential hydraulic systems, might have been employed. This hybrid approach could explain the pyramid's construction without relying solely on one theory. Each side presents compelling arguments, but definitive proof remains elusive. The academic community remains divided, with passionate advocates on both sides. Conferences and publications often feature heated debates as new discoveries and technologies continue to shed light on ancient construction techniques. Despite the ongoing research, a consensus has yet to be reached, leaving room for further exploration and discovery. The mystery of the Step Pyramid's construction continues to fascinate and intrigue us. As we uncover more about the past, each new piece of evidence adds to the rich tapestry of human history. The Step Pyramid stands as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of ancient civilizations, reminding us of the enduring quest to understand our ancestors' remarkable achievements. The Step Pyramid of Djoser stands as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of the ancient Egyptians. Whether they used water power, ramps, or some other method lost to history, the scale of their achievement is staggering. As we stand before this ancient wonder, we're reminded that the past still holds many secrets. Secrets waiting to be unlocked by those brave enough to explore the unknown. And who knows what other wonders lie hidden beneath the sands of Egypt.